Welcome to Mindful Meditations with
Janie, the Mindfulness Coach, here in Tulum, Mexico.
Water is life, and it represents our emotional body. So just take in the sounds of the ocean.
Take a moment to just breathe. Relax the mind. Relax the head. Relax the shoulders. Relax your chest. Relax all the muscles in your face.
If you'd like, you can massage your face and your head.
Taking a deep breath into the belly. Feel calm ooze through your veins as you listen to the sounds of the ocean. Feel yourself energize as you take in these slow breaths. Allow it to travel through all the organs, all the systems. Allow the breath to ooze through the bones, clearing away all that is holding you back and limiting you or keeping you stuck in a pattern that brings pain and suffering. As you exhale all tension and stress and all of these limiting beliefs, inhale your wholeness. With every breath you take, remembering all that you are, all the goodness that you are, the strength that you are, the sacred holiness that you are. Feel the breath open up and cleanse all of your cells from the inside out so that when you radiate L-O-V. Clarity goes through the mind, clarity goes through the heart, clarity goes through the stomach, grounding you, breathing in all the way down the spine, feeling the breath, clearing away all that is obstructing you from standing up straighter and feeling your power. Feel your heartbeat. Place your hand on your heart and feel your heartbeat. Feel the beauty and the grace that courses through you with every heartbeat, reminding self to sing and dance to the beat of your own drum and honor your own uniqueness. When things feel difficult, just take a moment, close your eyes, return to the breath, clear away the heartache,
breathe away the fear.
Feel your centeredness, knowing that despite the chaos, there is a calm stillness of tranquility in the center where you are right now. There's nowhere to go to find your peace. Just be still with God. Breathe in from the top of the head, clearing the pineal, the pituitary, traveling down the thyroid and the thymus, clearing away the pancreas, clearing any confusion or uncertainty, any doubt from the solar plexus,
clearing the reproductive glands and the adrenals,
of any fear that is illusory. Anchor yourself into the ground, into Mother Nature, feeling all the love from the bottom up and feeling all the love from the top down. Anchoring yourself into
homeostasis,
wholeness. illuminating your I know from the top, your I see, I speak, I love, I can, I feel, I have all that I need, the root chakra. I am abundant in all areas of my life. I attract all those that are going to honor my truth, honor my virtues. I am creating healthy boundaries. I am loving myself. I am caring myself so that I can create a life intentionally, mindfully, and deliberately so that I can live authentically. I am safe in my body. I am safe in the world. I am significant. I have all that I need. I am so grateful. Breathing in gratitude, breathing in patience,
compassion.
I am rested. I am revitalized. I am recharged. I am restored.
For more mindfulness tips and tools, connect with Janie the Mindfulness Coach.